This video walks you through how to set up a holiday pay policy in Gusto. Begin by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Time and Attendance section. This is where policy settings for tracking time and paid time categories are managed. In that area, click Add a Policy, then choose Add Holiday Policy. That opens the setup flow for creating a paid holiday policy for your team. The first page is Select Federal Holidays. On this screen, choose the paid federal holidays your company observes. You will see a list of holiday options, and you can select only the ones that match your company policy. Take a moment to review your selections before moving forward, especially if your company does not follow the full federal holiday calendar. When the correct holidays are selected, click Save and Continue. Next, you will arrive at the Add Custom Holidays page. Here, review the holiday calendar shown on screen. This gives you a chance to confirm the holidays already included and decide whether you want to add anything beyond the federal holidays you selected in the previous step. If your company offers additional paid holidays, click Add Custom Holiday and enter the holiday details as prompted. If you do not need any additional dates, just continue with the existing calendar. After reviewing this page and making any needed additions, click Continue. The next screen is Add Employees. This is where you decide who will be enrolled in the paid holiday policy you are creating. You can select individual employees one by one, or if the policy should apply to everyone listed, click Add All. Make sure the selected employees match the group that should receive holiday pay under this policy, since this step determines who is included from the start. After the employees are selected, click Create Policy. That completes the setup and saves the holiday pay policy to your Gusto account. At this point, the policy is in place based on the holidays you chose, any custom holidays you added, and the employees you enrolled. If you need to confirm the setup, you can review the created policy in the Time and Attendance area after it is saved. This helps you verify that the holiday calendar and employee assignments reflect what you intended before moving on to other payroll or attendance settings. That is how you set up a holiday pay policy in Gusto by selecting observed holidays, adding any custom holiday dates, and assigning the policy to the right employees. Your holiday pay policy is now created in Gusto.